How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be reviewing the STF 12 by FABARM Professional. Patrol Base has sent this out to us so we can do a quick review for you people at home. So as always, I'll show you what's inside the box. Let's get this baby open. You get a manual, little packet of 6mm BBs, a speed loader, which is always very good to have. You get 1, 2, and 3 cartridges, and the main piece itself, the STF 12. So as I said before, you get 3 shells that comes with it. Each one of these can hold 30 rounds each, so it's 90 rounds in total. Now, depending on what type of player you are, if you pull this back here, it's got a little switch in here, and you can change it from 3 BBs to 6 BBs. It's obviously halving your ammo capacity, or doubling it, depending on how you play. So to load it, you've got a little switch here, which flicks this open, and then you just feed it in. He wants to be fed in as well. It's one obviously at a time. Close it, and you're ready to go. Again, when you've run out of ammo, it's a self-ejecting shell, so you just pull the same trigger, and then you're ready to load your next one into it. Like so. Now for the shotgun itself, it's got a collapsible stock. It's also got the 20mm Picatinny rail on the top. It's got a small one on the bottom, whatever attachments you might want. It's a full metal construction. It is pretty heavy, but at least it's realistic. It's got 5 optic sights, which makes target acquisition a lot easier. It's quite a modern design. I think it looks pretty nice. I like the muzzle brake on it. Also, if you're filling up with gas, you have to fill up from the bottom of the handle here, and then that will keep your whole gas inside your shotgun for each one of your cartridges. At the end of the day, you're going to look cool firing it. It's a shotgun. But now with all that talking out the way with, I'm going to show you what it can do in our range behind us here. We did 2 different shooting tests for the STF 12. We shot targets of 15 meters and 25 meters, just so you can get an idea of the accuracy from different ranges. So our final thoughts on the STF 12, we thought it was pretty accurate, it was very powerful, and couldn't believe that it was going through the targets at such distances. If you'd like to get it for yourself, we'll leave a link in the description below for Patrol Base's website, and as always, if you could like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it.